Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the in-game language on the PowerWash Simulator game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the PowerWash Simulator game on your device. And once you are taken into the main menu, if you wish to change the game language, then you will need to tap on the gear icon at the bottom left corner. Once you click on this, tap on the first tab from the top section, which is the General Settings tab. And here, the very first option is the language. Click on the drop-down menu and you will now see various different languages that are available. Once you click on your desired language, it will be applied immediately. And now you can go back and continue playing your game with your chosen language. And if you wish to once again switch it in the future, you can simply go back to the gear icon and from the first menu, click on the drop-down button to choose your desired language. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the in-game language on the PowerWash Simulator game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you again in the next video.